Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a really easy way of creating a head full of waves. Can you see on the top I've just got 2 curls. That's all I'm going to use. You could use 2 or 3. Then what I do is I wave these down using my butterfly clips, spraying the hair as I'm going and putting the clips on the crescendo of the wave. Look at this, and I bring it down and I find all those beautiful S waves, and then I just place my clip on. Now this idea is going to form the beautiful final decoration. There it is on the side. Now the back area, I'm going to create whatever I want to create, but watch this. This is the trick. Now open it up like a concertina. Yeah, like a beautiful accordion, open it all up so that these waves can decorate over half of the head. And I love this look. Look, as we come in now for the final look, you'll see it finished. For the full tutorial, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club and learn how to create these beautiful waves.